Baka napapadaan kayo sa mga signage ng NLEX connector at napapaisip kayo, what is the connection? Where is it connecting? How is it connected? Aba, syempre, kaya tayo nandito lahat ay para i-explain ang mga ito. Here is everything you need to know about the NLEX connector. The NLEX connector is an 8-kilometer elevated expressway. Konektado ito sa NLEX Harbor Link via the Caloocan Interchange and it traverses Blumentritt at Espana. Eventually, magtatagpo sila ng Skyway Stage 3 at ang dalawang toll roads na ito ang magdudugtong sa NLEX at SLEX. O yung mga taga-North dyan na may nililigawang mga taga-South, hindi na kayo mahirapang pumunta. Congratulations! Oh, happy day! Pero, i-connect natin sa iba pang benefits. The NLEX connector will provide a direct route between NAIA and Clark International Airport in the future. At dahil hindi ito covered ng truck ban, mapapabilis din ang biyahe ng mga trucks mula sa port area papunta sa SLEX, NLEX, or Mindanao Avenue. But even now, magagamit mo na ang NLEX connector. Tulad ng sinabi namin, pwede mo siyang ma-access via NLEX Harbor Link. At meron ding mga on and off ramps sa Espana at Magsaysay. Hawak ko ang buong Espana at Magsaysay sa mga panahong ito. From Caloocan to Magsaysay, 7 minutes lang ang biyahe at maiiwasan mo ang congestion on major Manila roads. By exiting at Espana or Magsaysay, makakapunta ka sa iba't ibang points of interest sa buong Maynila. For students like me back in 2020, for example, mas madali na kayo makakapunta sa University Belt. And of course, para sa mga gustong mamasyal, some of the historical destinations you can visit are Quiapo Church, Rizal Park, and of course, the walled city of Intramuros. At kung tulad namin ay mahilig kang mag-food trip, you can also travel faster to Binondo for some of the best and most affordable Chinese food in Metro Manila. The NLEX connector speed limit is 100 kph for Class 1 vehicles, while the toll fee will be taken from your EasyTrip RFID balance. So, malinaw ba ang koneksyon? Focus mo. Give the NLEX connector a try soon and appreciate the benefits. Tara, road trip! Woo!